Hello, this is Ian with DC Digital, and today I'm going to be demonstrating a special version of our DC-25T-BCD-NEMA countdown timer. And this model in particular is used for production lines for assembly in order to get products out in a timely manner. But this one in particular is special because unlike our last version that we sent to JBS, which is one of our customers, this version essentially has looping features where if the timer reaches 000, it will reset it to the last value you set it, and it'll just repeat indefinitely, so you won't have to get up and start the timer all over again. And I'm going to be showcasing just some of its functions. So as you can see here, we got a NEMA encasing, which is a 4x6 casing NEMA, and its inside is a 2.3-inch LED board, which can be viewed up to 120 feet or 36.5 meters. And what we have here is a remote NEMA controller, which is wired to the NEMA casing. And now I'm going to showcase if you want how you switch the timer, how you can switch the time. So let's say I don't want it to be for 20 seconds, I want it to be 10 seconds. So in that case, I just open this clip right here, open this up, and if you look inside, there we got our BCD rotaries that we use to adjust the time. So I'm going to go to the third one right here, and I'm just going to do a quick knob, and I'm going to switch it to 1, and I'm going to close it. And then I'm going to hit this red button right here to reset it to the last value. And from there, we got 10 seconds. And if you want to start, in order to start the time, you just hit the black button like I just did. And in order to halt the time, just press it again. And you press this red button right here to reset the time. Now I'm going to showcase our looping features. So I'm going to hit this black button again, and we're going to wait until the time reaches 0 seconds. So once it reaches 0 seconds, you're going to hear a click, and from then on, it'll just restart the time over and over until you press the start and stop button, which is, as I said, is right here. And last but not least, this timer is powered by a NEMA power cord, which is 9 feet long. We supply that to our customers. The power type for it is an SJ-E00W, and the power type for it is 120 VAC to 240 VAC, or 50 to 60 megahertz. And as I mentioned before, the NEMA controller is also wired, like I said before, and it is also it has a cord of its own, which is 25 feet long, which is in the casing itself. The casing itself, going into more detail, it is also meant to seal the 4-digit board and keep it free of, and it protects it from moisture and steam, and is waterproof. So again, this has been Ian with DC Digital, explaining a special version of our DC-25T-BCD-NEMA production countdown timer. Thanks for watching.